If you work a 9 to 5 right now and you're trying to make more money, do not get a second job. Do not start driving for Uber. Do not start freelancing on the weekends because if you do, you are falling into the exact same trap that kept me broke and exhausted for years. You are trying to solve a money problem by selling the only thing that you can never get back, your time. And today I want to show you exactly how to stop selling your time and start selling a system. And if you do this right, you can build something once and get paid for it every single month. I know this because this is what I do right now. So, just to give you guys some background, I've been in the game for a very long time and I have tried everything. And when I first realized that my 9 to 5 paycheck was just not cutting it, my immediate thought was, okay, I need to work more. So, I went on Upwork and I got a job as a virtual assistant. And I thought I hit the jackpot, y'all. I found a gig where I was only working 5 to 10 hours a week, and I was making an extra $1,000 a month because I was making $25 an hour. But then when it really hit me, like if I got sick, the money stopped. If I wanted to take a vacation, the money stopped. If I wanted to make $2,000, I'd have to double the hours. I was making more money, but I was still trapped in the exact same cycle that I was just selling my time. And I have tried other ways to make money, all the different ways, drop shipping, print on demand, all the different side hustles, only to realize that the best thing for me to do was to sell a system to get my time back. Now, as a stay-at-home mom of three, all I wanted was to get more time. Now, I know when people hear the word system and it seems like all complicated, like what is that? But to simplify this where an 8-year-old could understand it. So imagine that you want to make money selling lemonade, okay? Selling your time is standing on the corner, squeezing the lemons, pouring the cups, and handing them to people one by one. Now, if you go home, the lemonade stand closes, you don't make any money. Selling a system is building a vending machine that dispenses the lemonade. You build the machine once, you plug it in, and while you're at home sleeping or at your 9 to 5, people are still putting in quarters to get lemonade. The machine does not stop, you just collect the quarters. Now, in the real world, businesses are desperate for these vending machines. They need systems that solve their problems automatically, and they will gladly pay you every single month to use yours. Let me give you guys two examples of systems that I've built for businesses. The first one is a virtual receptionist. So think about your local plumber or a dentist. They miss phone calls all the time because they're busy working. Every missed call is a potential lost sales opportunity. So what I did is this is what I do is I set them up with a voice AI receptionist. And it's basically a super smart virtual receptionist that answers the phone 24/7, books appointments, answers questions, transfers the calls to a human. And I'm going to show you a quick example here just so you can see what it sounds like.
Hello, thank you for calling Bond Heating and Cooling. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm calling because our air went out.
Oh no, that's frustrating, especially with the warmer weather. Let's get this sorted out for you. Can you tell me a little more about what's happening? Is the system completely off or is it running but not cooling?
It's completely off.
Got it. Thanks for letting me know. Let's get a technician out to take a look. Can I start by getting your full name?
Okay, that's just an example of how it looks. Now, I want to show you even the coolest part here. So after I had that phone conversation, what happens with that is that it transcribes everything and sends you an email. So the client an email, you an email. I'm going to show you exactly what that sounds like. I'm going to show you my email. So it says AI call recap right here. And so you can say it says the user called Bond Heating and Cooling to report an issue with their air. And they got my information right here. And so it actually transcribed our conversation. That's how cool this is, guys. We did this in minutes. I built that system once, and the business owner pays me every single month to utilize this software, this system. And I charge $497 a month. Now, example two, reputation management. Every business should have 5 stars on Google, but business owners, they don't ask for reviews consistently. So I give them a system. When a customer buys something, my system automatically texts them asking for them to leave a review. Most people see it, they're busy, they say, okay, maybe later. But this is what my system does. It recognizes that, and 2 days later, they give them a slight nudge, and that is usually where we see the highest increase on people actually leaving a review is when they get that second text message. This is how I've gotten clients from page 2 to page 1 at the top of the search results. When you're high up in the search results, you get more visibility. When you have more visibility, you get more calls. That means you also make more money. And not only does this system just help you get reviews, it also responds to those reviews and it also reposts them on social media for them. It's a whole system where it's hands off. It's a machine that helps them generate more reviews from their happy customers. I set it up one time. They pay me every single month for this. And on my highest tier for this alone, it's $297 a month. So businesses, they don't want to hire more employees. They want systems that run on autopilot. And when you become the person who provides those systems, your income is no longer tied to how many hours you work. Now, I just gave you guys two examples, but I know setting up an AI or review software system might be a little intimidating if you're new to this. So I was talking with my coach, Andy, all day, and he showed me this one specific system that is actually way easier to build and sell than the ones that I just mentioned. It is the perfect starting point if you want to just transition out of trading time for money. And we are doing a live workshop this Tuesday, June 9th at 6 p.m. Central Time, where we're going to actually break down exactly what this system is and give you a clear step-by-step direction on how you can start doing this yourself. Now, it's going to be completely free, live. You can ask questions just to have a good understanding of how can you do this. So if you are tired of the 9 to 5 grind and you want to learn how to build your first system, click the link in the description below to register. And once you sign up, I want you guys to come back to this video and put in the comment section, I'm there, so I can see who's actually going to be there. All right, I can't wait to see you guys there. Let's stop trading our time for money and build systems.